If you've been in the market for a Wii game recently, you know how expensive they can be. A good copy of a game like Mario Kart, Super Mario Bros., or even Wii Sports Resort can easily cost you over $30. The first disc I attempted to repair was Wii Sports Resort. This game easily cost you around $30 for a decent copy, and I did not want to pay that. So instead, I bought a $25 disc repair kit, open box on Amazon, and just decided to try it out for myself. And as you can see here, it's in horrible condition, but still tried it. Fortunately, I didn't record myself trying it, but after 2 runs, you can see I put it in my disc, or I put it in my Wii, and it worked. It had no playability issues. It was perfect. So the disc repair kit already paid for itself. But I decided to try another game I had that hasn't worked since probably 2014, and I had pretty much the same results. So you can see horribly scratched. And then I ran through this repairing, and I'll show you that now. And basically put in the Wii, and again, no playability issues. The disc does not look perfect, but it works. So if you're looking for a cheap way to just bring some life back into old DVDs or Wii discs, or even I think it works for the PS2. It doesn't work for PS3 or Blu-ray discs, but it's just a super affordable way to fix old discs that are actually getting really expensive. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you learned something. Thanks for watching.